how to turn on or turn off show addresses or phone numbers in recently clipped text for Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard and click on Gboard. After click on Gboard, scroll down and click on Clipboard and you will see show items such as addresses, phone numbers. You will see if you want to turn on phone numbers in recently clipped, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see show addresses, phone numbers in recently clipped is turn on. If you want to turn off show addresses, phone numbers in recently clipped, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see show addresses, phone numbers recent clipped is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off show phone number addresses recently clipped from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off show addresses or phone numbers in recently clipped text for Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.